Recorder, Kimmy. Hi guys, I think this is my first time recording since in Jamaica. No, probably, yes, face to face. So I'm in Jamaica and we went to Kingston today and car broke down for we. So mommy there, Kimmy here. We pick up Kimmy from work, from our taxi that bring her home, you know, and we pick her up and this happened. So we're just at the gas station. May I show you what we did. Yes, no. And to make matters worse, me never eat from morning. Go eat some rice, quick. And my belly a kill me. Gas pain up here so. Right up here so. So we're gonna take some picture now. You ready? We're gonna take some pictures now later. Alright, you can see.
Neutral burgers.
Neutral for door.
When you're in traffic, you put it on neutral.
Okay, alright. We find set at work like that for you.
Yeah.
When you're not in a drive. Thanks, Gregory.
Yeah, so we take the time. Yeah, thanks.
Alright guys, we're managing car now. The car, give them an update for me please. The car is still bad enough, but I figured out a way how to get it going without shutting off. And Gregory just called us and told us to keep it on neutral when we stop. So that's what we're doing. It's night now, so we're kind of getting a little bit scared. But we're approaching the highway, thank God. I hear so.
Yes,
Alright, so
yes.
use my hand to indicate. Show me hand to indicate. We need an assistant to help me vlog. Please, we make it outside on the highway.
I'm not telling no one story. I'm all over the place.
Yeah man, you can tell it. I will tell it.
So I experience too. Even after the story.
Oh my God, we made it on the highway. When the car is driving, you know, so I'm not rejoice yet because we have some mountain to go over.
Well, in Jesus' name, we put our trust.
I'm going to indicate to go over left now. Can I get my suitcase? After almost 2 weeks. The Sangsters International Airport just brought it. I'm at the University Hospital visiting my grandaunt, and yeah, they brought it.
This cynic one circle.
I'm a clean fish.
Yeah, how much for the other one?
Yes, I soon give you. Not money. One new cat that you know. One new cat that. Where you get the fish them from?
Hold on, Bobby.
Oh. we're going to work with the fish, so?
Nah, buy no more, dog. I'm going to go. Buy no more.
Nice cabbage are on trade.
You're good? Run through. Eh? Oh, you know me. Maybe tell me, say them are up there today. Okay, I never tried. Look out,
Hello, hi.
I'm a cousin.
Okay.
Last
Nice
time
to
was
big. Yeah.
so life. Good.
Good.
Give thanks.
Can't complain.
Yeah, we give thanks.
Yeah, man.
Yeah,
All
we're
right,
going
all the
before
best.
All right,
Yeah, take care.
All right.
But tell Kimmy when you over there, them up the today. They're going to do her vaccine.
Okay.
What's that?
And she have beer now, I want to engage.
So Sunday dinner is on the go. Mommy, what's this?
I saw
Alright, so we have fried chicken. We have pork, slow cooked pork. What is Pot roast. Pot roast pork. Woo. And she's starting the rice and gungo. May I help her, you know? I'm helping. May I go turn it now. Alright. Mommy, that chicken here look fry, man. It's well fried. Can burn up the chicken. That pot, my mother have that pot here from a little girl. Don't you, me? That can come out. Alright. I'm not iron than you. Let me turn this one on. I'm gonna kill you, man. Thank you. Here. Alright, guys, so Soupy just give me soup. Pea soup. I'm just checking in. Alright, I'm gonna sit down right there, so, and drink my soup. A tax office, maybe now?
You make a space in the line already?
Yeah. But we need something to drink. Thanks, it looks delicious.
Only good to enjoy.
Yeah, enjoy, man. Me know other soup man, Leroy. You know Leroy.
Leroy kind of get sick, me not sell my soup now.
Eh? Uh-oh.
My brother sell though.
Oh, my brother sell film.
No, he sell.
Oh. Alright, guys, so I go now later. I finish my soup. And yeah, I was just checking in because I have to do it like this because I have a lot of things doing. So every now and again I come and I check in on you guys, keep you updated. Today I'm at the tax office. I'm doing my license and checking out my NHT and stuff. So busy. Alright guys, talk to you later. Yum. Guys, I'm checking in again. So I just got some jackfruit from the jackfruit man. Not sure if you're seeing properly, but yeah, that's jackfruit man. And I just got some jackfruit. Yeah, I'm gonna try. It's sweet. So good. On the roadside jackfruit. Meet up with new friends. This is my lunch. It's good.